Dear friends, in this topic, we are going to learn about some basic concepts in geometry. The subunits in these topics are the first subunit is point, line, and plane. Second, coordinates of a point and distance. Next point is betweenness, and next one that is a conditional statement, and last subunit is a proof. मित्रांनो ही आहे संख्या रेषा. It is a number line, and on this number line the point D denotes the number 1, and so that is 1 is the coordinate of point D. Similarly, we can tell the coordinate of point A is -5. Dear friends, with the help of this number line, you have to write the coordinates of other points. On this number line, point E is 2 units away from point D. It means that the distance between point D and point E is 2 units. Similarly, हम बता सकते हैं जो डिस्टेंस ए और सी में है वो 3 यूनिट है. मित्रांनो, संख्या रेषेवरील कोणत्याही दोन बिंदूंमधील अंतर काढताना त्या बिंदूंचे निर्देशक विचारात घेऊन मोठ्या निर्देशकामधून लहान निर्देशक वजा करा. We have to consider the coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger. The distance in between point E and D is denoted as distance of ED. And this is the same as length ED. It means that the length of the segment ED. Now we are going to find the distance in between point A and point D. Here the coordinate of point A is a -5 and the coordinate of point D is 1. We are knowing about that 1 is greater than -5. And therefore, to find out the distance in between point A and D, we have to subtract -5 from 1. You have to solve the examples which are given here. Dear friends, from the above example, it is clear that the distance between 2 points, these points are distinct points, is always a positive number. And if 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Next point, we are going to see betweenness. If point P, Q, and R are 3 points, then there are 3 possibilities. From figure A, we can tell point Q is in between point P and R. In figure B, point R is in between point P and Q. In figure C, point P is in between point R and point Q. If distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, then it is said that point Q is between point P and R, and the betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R.